I never cease to be amazed. This canvas that we call COVID-19 was blank 13 weeks ago. There were no dots on the canvas at all. And when you think of what collaboratively, internationally has happened in terms of the generation of new knowledge, it's astounding. It's been 100 days, and we might have another 100 days in front of us. It's hard to know. So what can people do at this midpoint, let's call it? And some of these are kind of obvious, but I thought I'd speak to 10 things that collectively there's good evidence to support their value. Number one, a media fast. And what I mean by that is I don't think it's good, and the data would suggest it's not good to sit in front of the TV all day. You know, we're at home, we're teleworking, we're going to school from a distance. You know, pay attention to the news, maybe 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes in the evening or something, but then do something else. The other thing is eat right. The tendency is going to be to reach for snack foods, to reach for easy, quick, processed foods to prepare. So this is an opportunity to take time. My wife and I cook together. Well, she does the cooking, I do the eating. Don't forget about sleep. This is a stressful time for people. And eating right, sleeping, and the next one, exercise, are really things that we know improve your immune system. And you want to be as healthy as you can be. Number 5 would be to connect with others. We are social creatures. We're meant to be in community with one another. That may have to be using technology as we're doing. It might be a phone call. It might be a Google Hangout or Facebook, but connect with people. Number 6 sounds easy to say. It's a little harder to practice. And that is, even in the midst of this trial, gratitude and positive thinking go a long way. My daughter actually keeps a gratitude journal and tries to keep a healthy perspective. Number 7 is faith. Whatever your spiritual beliefs, faith turns out to be a big driver of well-being when people are stressed and in fearful and uncertain conditions. The next, number 8, is to have routines and to build fun into that. Routines turn out to be very important in human behavior. Number 9 is help somebody else. It might be a neighbor where you have to go shopping or deliver something. Maybe you can help your neighbor so that you don't have 2 people going out, just one. And then the last thing is embark on learning something new. There's a lot of people stuck at home, if you will. This would be a fabulous time, particularly as a family, to say, let's learn something important together. Let's learn something that we'll use the rest of our lives. This is a wonderful opportunity to do so.